Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Baby. Baby, come here. Bastard. I love him so much. Anyway, today I thought it'd be fun to take these new brows for a spin, honey. Die hard fans will know I just cut half my brows off. I'll link that video up there. In that video, I feel like, and some of you mentioned, that I could have gone harder. I could have gone straighter with it. That makes total sense. In that video, I mean, it was the first time drawing my other half of my brow in since literally like high school days. Was it high school? Like college is when I would shave off my whole entire eyebrow. That was a while ago. And yeah, I want to go around a little bit. I want to try out all of the crazy new brow shapes that I can do with all of this real estate. Oh yeah, this is definitely a beauty mark and not a zit. Okay. This is this baguette. Man, that one looks a lot better. I like that one because it's like, oh my god, look at that. It's amazing what a little eyebrow reshaping can do. Maybe they're not the most symmetrical, you guys, but honestly, this is just for shits and gigs. Yeah, those aren't the same at all. What the fuck is wrong with this bitch? Ooh. I'm looking up eyebrow shapes on Google, and there's one that it's showing these upward angled brows, and they say it's exotic. That seems like it's not the right wording to use. Okay, next brow shape. Let's move on to something else. Ow. These brows are perfect for being mad and pouty. Okay, the next shape that I want to try is, I kind of discovered this brow shape from an IG gal that I follow, Nephthys the Goddess. These brows are so cool. You could probably do this without shaving your whole friggin' brow off, but I did this already, so. Eyebrow shape in number dos. Ta-da! Oh my god, I love it. They're so cute. They look like little devil horns. I'm obsessed. Like, just such a fun, cute way to switch up your brows. Oh my god, I'm having so much fun. Next brow. I feel like the thin brow is starting to come back. Like everything comes back, you know, but I feel like a thin 90s brow, not like ugly 90s brow, like where it's like overly plucked. The reveal for brow shape number 3, you guys, come on. I mean, what do we think? It is not too much different, but they're thin. They're thin and like sharp, and I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. They're not even, and it's not the cleanest job ever, you guys. I mean, I'm painting on like brows on top of layers and layers of foundation at this point, but ooh, cute. I don't think y'all are ready for this one. 3, 2. Yeah, it's the unibrow. Oh my, it's so hideous. Ooh, ooh, ouch. Ooh, do the wig. I hate myself so much right now. Gare? Can you come here?
What?
Do you like him? Really accentuates my wrinkles in the middle of my forehead. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Sharpie. And last but not least, y'all, ta-da! It's supposed to be a heart, but it looks like a ball sack. On this note, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my camera. Stop recording. Finish drinking my wine and go to bed. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching, and I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.